Good afternoon, everyone. It is January the 22nd here at KIT Iizuka campus, and this is the last class that we will have until the test. The test will be, oops, let me just click that here. This is the 22nd, so the test will be on the 29th, okay? That will be your conversation test and your Moodle test. Depending on who comes that day, because I never know who's going to come, there will be a conversation test, and then we'll go on to the Moodle test. If some people come late, then I'll try to work that out with them, but otherwise, that's the way that I have it planned. Today, I want to do a few things and go over the assignments. Number one, I'm going to jump over here to your reading quiz. Reading quiz number 2 is due for February 2nd. So you still have quite a bit of time to do the reading quiz number 2, but don't forget your reflection. Reflection 14 will be due this Friday. Okay. Now, last week on January 15th, I gave you an assignment for your walking video number 1. The screen is taking a little bit of time to refresh here, but it was walking video number 1. Which is not, there it is. Okay, so walking video number 1. Now, unfortunately, it turns out that walking video number 1 was due on January 19th, so that was all the way back last week, but still only 4 people